What's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing these Tst Bar End Sliders. I actually just got some new handlebars put on, so I do not have any sliders. And as you might have seen in past videos, I have a problem looping my bike, so I kind of don't want to ruin my brand new bars and brand new grips. So I bought these, really good price range and everything, and they're super thick and really well built. So I'm going to show you how they work, and I'm honestly going to figure it out myself because this is the first set I've ever used, but I've heard nothing but good things. So we're going to get into it. We're going to go ahead and open these bad boys. So try to be sort of careful. All right guys, so here it is. These are the new sliders. The reason I like these is it's a very simple design, but it's very heavy duty. So basically you have a bolt going through the front right here, and it goes all the way into through the back, which basically you tighten down this piece and it spreads those out. Also, this part is Delrin, so that way it is replaceable. So as you can see right there, this is kind of like a metal or stainless steel or something. This is Delrin, so this is replaceable. One thing to note as well, on this piece that sticks inside your bar, you're gonna need to find out the inside diameter of your bar. But if it's too small of an inside diameter, this might not fit in. So you might need to either drill out your bars to, I believe it's 5/8, or contact TST and you can get some of these, which is basically replacement pieces for the piece that goes inside your bar. It's a little bit smaller of a diameter, so it'll fit in smaller bars. So that's what I got. I'm gonna try that instead of drilling out my bar. Okay, so I just changed over to the smaller one, as you can see there. That way basically it fits in my bar. It's actually a little bit tight of a fit, so perfect. Basically you're just going to tighten this Allen key. I do recommend an impact gun, as it will just do it quickly, expand these little fins instead of doing it by hand. So put that in, and you're gonna wanna hold the actual slider piece and then put your impact in the end of it and tighten. And now I can go tighter with that, I am, but as you can see, it's not moving, it's not coming out, it's tight in there. I just like doing it pretty tight, but you definitely don't need it the tightest ever. It's definitely gonna protect your bike. And as you can see, all that meat right there, you got a lot to chew through before you're gonna have to replace the Delrin pieces at the end. So we got that side done, so on to the other side. So it's as easy as 1, 2, and then 3 ugga. So 1, 2, 3. It's on there. All right guys, that is it for the TST sliders video. They turned out really good. They look really good. The usability of them, I don't know yet, obviously, as I haven't dropped it yet. Probably won't be long, and I'll find out how they work and everything, unfortunately. Now, it does make your bars seem wider, and the fact that I had wide bars to begin with makes it look like really wide. So definitely gonna have to watch those trees going off-roading, since they are kind of close sometimes. But anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like, please comment if you have any questions. And before I forget, if you guys are interested in anything, including these TST sliders from TST, we have a coupon code. We actually have a new one this year. It's GG10_2018. Yeah, not 2017, 2018. But it actually gives you 10% off. So thank you to those guys, you guys out there that have used the old code for 5% off. This year we got 10% off. So keep it coming, and maybe next year it'll be the same, or maybe we'll have something different for you guys. Maybe some giveaways or something, but we'll figure it out. But anyways guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know. Thanks for watching.